Why do 90% of websites suck? As you uncover the reason, you'll understand the importance of great UI and its power in web design. That's not all. You'll then dive deep into the tips and tricks you can use to create engaging and modern user interfaces like never before. Right, so the reason your UI is suffering is because your design isn't clear, consistent, or engaging enough. Imagine someone clicks on your site and is immediately overwhelmed by cluttered layouts, inconsistent fonts, and blinding colors. They can't find what they're looking for, and there's a lack of visual appeal to keep their interest. This leads to frustration and ultimately drives users away. But it's more than just making things pretty. Good UI focuses on aesthetics without sacrificing functionality. It's about creating intuitive experiences that your users love to interact with. So let's address that exactly. Your users. Before designing, first understand the needs and preferences of your users. This could mean doing some research on your target audience. For instance, lots of emojis and custom cursors will not suit an aged care website. Empathy plays a crucial role in UI design. By putting yourself in the shoes of other users, you allow your design interfaces to meet their expectations and create experiences that are intuitive, enjoyable, and accessible. Now that we understand the importance of UI and user-centric design, let's explore the principles that guide stunning-looking visuals. The key principles are clarity, consistency, and simplicity. These are essential for effective UI design. Take these three websites, for example. They all excel in clarity, consistency, and simplicity. But what specific aspects should you focus on to achieve this? First up, fonts and text sizes. You want to choose fonts that are easy to read and create clear hierarchy with different sizes for headings and body text. This makes your content easily digestible. Google Fonts is perfect for this. It offers a huge variety of fonts to find the perfect style for your site. Next, think about colors. A harmonious color palette that aligns with your brand and is pleasing to the eye can make a huge difference. Colors set the mood and guide the user's attention. You can use coolers.co to generate color palette effortlessly. Then there's layout and alignment. Organize your elements well. A cohesive and structured layout helps you navigate your site easily. You should enhance your design with visuals that support your content and resonate with your target audience. Images and graphics are not just decorative, they tell a story. Let's not forget animations and micro interaction. Subtle hover effects, click animations, and scroll animations can make your site more interactive, engaging, and keep users more hooked. Responsive design is also crucial. Your website should look and function well on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. There's no point in having a great UI. No one can see it properly. Use tools like Mobile Simulator, Google's browser responsive view to ensure your site looks great everywhere. By focusing on these aspects, you can create a UI that's not only visually appealing, but also user-friendly and engaging. Your users will thank you. Alright, so just remember how important clarity, consistency, and simplicity are in designing great UI. And empathy is your secret weapon. By understanding your users, you can create experiences that dazzle and delight. From fonts to colors, layout to animations, every choice matters. With the right tools and resources, you not only create websites that look amazing, but also provide a seamless user experience.